What is going on with my hair? Look at my hair. It's so static. It's like, you know what the moral is? Don't clean your hair. Anyway, I've always wanted to do this. The only hat I can find that's like high is this stupid safety hat that sits on your head. I used it as a cowboy hat when I took out the insert, but for this purpose, let's see if this works. I've always wanted to try and do it. Oh, what just happened to the light? There it is. Okay, here we go. Hey, don't look. It's a magic trick. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Okay, hang on. Don't look. It's a magic trick. A magic trick. Oh, shoot. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna try another way. Off screen. Okay. Oh, it's not gonna work. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. Top of the morning to ya. Ah! I was trying to get a hat that's big enough to hide my bottle. But no, hat is big enough apparently. And this is a tiny bottle, but it's not tiny enough. I'm pulling out my hair. I mean, it does stay on my head. Top of the morning to ya. Ah! God. This is a friggin' disaster. Now it's the top of the morning / evening / static miss.